The old man in me thought this was gonna be a lot more upsetting.
I don't hate it yet. All right, so I did take the initiative here and actually made a new NextJS folder on my computer. We can put all of the NextJS stuff in there.
We're halfway there.
So let's just let's find ourselves a fresh Chrome window and see. Okay. So we want to learn, but we really want to get started.
Yeah.
All right. So
straight to the doing.
Next is a framework. Main features, we'll learn those as we go. How to use these docs. Okay, on the left-hand screen, we'll start the nav bar. Okay,
yeah, app versus page router.
Okay. App router is the newer router, so that's good. Probably will do that. Let's see, prerequisite, join our community. Okay, we don't need to do any of that. Let's install. Let's get to the meat of it here. Okay, so we need node 1818. And what node do I have? I have 16.
16,
so,
18.
Let's see. So that is a very new version of Node that we have. So we need a new version of Node. But I really don't, because we use 16 for other things, and it would be nice not
to wreck those things. So
we used to use Node version manager, so we could have more than one Node version installed at a time. Look at this thing, dude. Friggin' 80k stars. A lot of people want different versions of Node. Installing and updating. To install, run the install script. So this is like very Linuxy here. Do you support Windows? Oh, it works on Windows WSL. What if we
support a Windows one?
What if we see if I have been here before.
Oh, only
37K. Dude, that's pretty good, actually. That's like almost half the stars. I like that. We've started full-time work on runtime. Oh my God, there's a successor already? Complete this form. I don't really think this is, where are we? Runtime is the next generation. Oh, Jesus. I don't really want to pick up where it left off.
Let's go see. Do they have a... Because they haven't released since 2023.
Yeah, do they kind of? We got Bot YAML's been updated 3 days ago. Okay, so they got. Let's just, I don't know, 2023. That's pretty new by our standards. 2023. So
yeah.
Okay. How do I?
This runtime thing.
How about nvm setup exe, or do you think I should get the zip?
Maybe I'm fine. I'm fine with the exe. I don't know.
Well, it's because it's not your computer.
Yeah, exactly.
That it's going to install things too. I guess I already have it. All right, we're just gonna let the setup rip and see what happens. Oh, eCore Ventures LLC. Oh, I trust you. Accept. Sure. Okay. Do you want NVM to control? Yes. Okay. So what do I do with it? I guess back to the homepage. Overview. Okay, so we have some Node stuff. Oh, so he's got use newest. Okay, so I can just say use and it will do things. List. Oh, I can install a version. Okay, sweet. So let's see. Question 1, did it actually get on my path? No. So let's close VS Code.
Try again.
And see if he wants to work. Aha! And so if we do this, okay, so there's 16, 18. And so let's just take a look. So node LTS is 20.17.0. So then in theory, right, I can just do this. Ah!
What does it say now?
Oh.
You have to nvm use.
Okay, I can do that. I mean, dude, so far this thing is the best piece. Oh my goodness, what's happening?
I mean, this is the most pleasant.
Okay, so now if I do.
Okay, so open up just a CMD window, like a.
You want like just like a
just like in Windows, like now do node there. What version is that?
Oh, so he's like system wide, baby.
Oh, that's interesting.
Which is I think fine. Oh, that's the use. I bet you there's like a config file. I bet you can like have it change.
So it's out of the box. It's not like virtual M's in Python or anything.
No,
it's not like a
it is. It's like a global, baby. Huh. Let's see. Okay, here we go.
That surprises me a little bit.
Well, it's Windows, man. Let's see. Can we? Oh, I don't want to use yarn. No. Okay, can I just like? Okay, so there's probably. I bet you there is some kind of config that we could do.
Still, I mean, it does work quickly, which is nice.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Let's go with it. I'll just have to remember if we have problems with the other things to like switch back. But I think this is good. Okay, so now we have.
There's this NVM has.
Does he have a maybe? I wonder if he just uses the NVM. Is there like actual docs for this thing? I think maybe this is the actual docs. Okay. I don't know. Well, we got as far as we needed to with this thing, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. So we got node 20, which is higher than this. And so Next has a create next app, which no doubt will be magic, just like create React app was.
Yeah.
Let's not do automatic. Yes, I want.
There's a manual.
The Gen 2 of NextJS installation. So let's do this. Let's just start copying and pasting stuff. That's okay. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna maybe do. Should I save this too? Make a package JSON. The next step here looks like we're gonna be doing something in a package JSON. It sort of seems like it already assumes we have a package JSON. Let's do it. I do save dev, do you think, or is it just save maybe?
Yeah, save dev, I guess.
Yeah, we're gonna rip it.
Well, I guess
this
sure needs save, right?
This looks promising. What's happening here?
I mean, okay, good.
Outstanding.
What? Because you're in PowerShell, I guess you get prettier pictures and dots.
What are these dots?
And colors.
Show command executed 2 minutes. Oh, it's like some sort of performance profiler? Man, it's
I don't know,
the world we live in.
Never noticed anyway.
Okay, new patch of NPM is available to update. I don't think we care. Okay, great. And so now we have a package JSON too. Look at this. Look at us go.
Good.
So we need the scripts section here, yeah?
Yeah.
And so I'm just gonna rip this, man. I don't know. We're gonna just assume these guys know better than me what's going on. These scripts refer to the different stages. Okay. So dev, that builds it, starts the production server, and lint, okay. Next.js uses file system routing, which means the routes in your application are determined by how you structure your files. For new applications, we would use the app router. Evolution, that's good. It means they change it every year. I wonder what's next. Because there's got to be something new after this guy. Create an app folder, then add layout TSX and page TSX files. Okay, so new folder, app, new file, layout TSX. Oh, dirty bird. Layout.tsx and page.tsx. Page. Okay. Create a root layout inside of layout.tsx. So what is a root layout? So let's go here. Okay, so we've got a good amount of red here already. Can we import you? No. Okay, we're off to a good start. I'm just gonna put all this stuff in here. Finally create a home page. So then we're gonna give page some love too.
I think our big problem is we don't have any TypeScript config currently.
I think that's correct.
Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see what it
what does it do? Okay, so then so this is optional. Let's skip him for now and see if we can just get this thing running.
Yeah.
Okay, so run the development server, npm run dev. What are the chances this works?
That seems very unlikely.
Oh, okay. We'll allow, of course, we'll allow access. Why wouldn't we? Oh, look, he's putting the TypeScript. Oh, look at that, it's cleaned up. Oh, because he put these things in for us. Oh, this is. It looks like you tried to use TypeScript but do not have the required packages installed. Let me do it for you. Actually, this is kind of slick.
So NextJS has code that did that for us, yeah?
I mean, I assume if we were to like look and investigate that script.
Now our package thing is, we have some dev dependencies. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, and we've got a TS config. He's
got some bools.
He's a serious boy here.
Oh
man, what is next? Oh my goodness, look at all those globs.
Okay,
JSX
fine.
Preserve. I don't remember what some
module ES next.
Oh, that sounds. Oh my goodness.
Node module resolution. Interesting.
Okay, and so what is this thing? NextEnvd. This file should not be edited. Okay. Reference types. This looks terrifying.
I don't know.
We've got some sort of XML here with some. All right. And then we've got a next folder.
Oh,
and so he's got some stuff.
So what are those?
Oh, we've got some types.
Oh, this must be.
Oh, this must
be the build. This is the build output.
Yeah. And so we've got our server here. And then a cache. Okay.
So probably if we had a source control for this, that'd probably be an excluded directory. And I would probably want commit next.
Do they put? They don't give us like a git ignore in here, do they? No. Okay.
See
all right. So let's see here. Okay. So now we've got everything. Everything is working beautifully, I assume. Okay. So here, localhost 3000. Got our types. Look at this. Look at this nice check mark even. This is the commitment to quality that I like. Okay, yeah. So if I can type today, which I'm not so good at.
Try harder.
What do you think we're gonna see? Yay!
I don't remember what you copy pasted.
I don't either. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here we have our sweet layout. So he doesn't really have much going on.
So body children.
So presumably if we look at this guy, it's like just a body tag with this thing here. Oh.
Oh my.
Oh no.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
What is the next route announcer? Dude, okay. So I'm pretty sure this H1 was the extent of my contribution to the markup. And so then we've got this thing. What on earth is this? Self next or so it's some sort of
underscore next.
And then we're pushing the name of our. So like if I out of curiosity, is there? Okay, so there is a next. Oh my. Why?
Well, hopefully we never have to debug this because.
Dude, are you kidding me?
And so, expand number 5 actually. Like, is that text?
Oh. Okay. So is he the meta? Is there actually a meta tag in here? Did it put one in? Oh, it's all this stuff in the head, maybe. I don't know. That's just the one.
No,
it's a bunch of meta stuff.
Interesting.
So app page browsers. What is this?
Just app router.
Holy shit. Huh. Well, boy, that is really interesting. So we've got a bunch of chunks. We've got a boy, this is. Oh, I do not like anything about this. Oh my goodness. Well, that is quite the hello world. Oh, we got a shadow root. Man, they're using the new stuff. It's just everything is new.
That's for the area, whatever you say it.
Assertive. Oh, is this for like accessibility maybe? Like it announces the new. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, let's try and make a change.
Yeah.
Okay. Man. Hello, Eric and Jordan. So I'm gonna hit save. Is it gonna?
Yeah. Like just reload the page, right? Does it?
Oh, I didn't even have to reload the page.
Itself. Ooh.
Okay. Well, now I have to know. Now I have to know how fast Oh, that's pretty fast. So does it have some kind of like WebSocket open too? Let me reload this guy and see what's going on here. Is there like some WS happening? Uh-huh. Oh, HMR. Is that the hot module replacement? I bet you it is.
Look at that. He's waiting.
He's waiting for me. Let's see. So if I show everything, okay, and I do another awesome change. 4, 5, 6. Ooh, we got.
Oh, interesting.
Is he just like?
So something told him to like. Probably the WebSocket told him to go get some stuff.
Get some stuff. Oh my goodness! What is RSC?
Payload? What do you actually ask for?
So he sent this goofy thing, and in response, we got nothing, apparently.
That's funny.
That's, boy. It's a text boy. Okay.
Okay.
Well, dude, that's pretty good. Okay,
works.
So let's go back. Let's go back. I want to go back to the pages section here. Okay, next add an app.tsx inside pages. So this was the optional thing, right? So this is using the pages router.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe we shouldn't jack around with this thing. This looks very different. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's not do this. Let's just stick with the app router for now. But they create a public folder to store static assets such as images, fonts, etc. Okay.
So it's by convention, I guess.
So let's make a public folder and see if we can.
Should we get an image or something?
See if we can serve something out of here. So I'll make a new folder. I'm gonna call it public. Maybe we could have ChatGPT make us one potentially. Let's do make me a cool image of an overly complicated JavaScript framework. I didn't spell that right, maybe, but that's okay. Let's see what he comes up with.
Does ChatGPT know what you meant when you misspelled things?
I don't know. Or maybe I did spell it right. Maybe that was just Chrome being stupid.
Well, he's thinking hard.
They're using all those video card compute. The CUDA or whatever. Oh my! Thumbs up, ChatGPT.
It's beautiful. It almost rendered HTML correctly too.
So this guy. So I'm gonna take you, and I'm gonna. Oops. I'm gonna take you.
Well, it gives you WebPs. Huh?
Yeah. Wow. It's so fancy. And so then we're gonna open in File Explorer. We're gonna put this guy right in here. We're gonna call this complex.webp, I guess.
Yeah.
And so let's be cool dudes and make some new stuff. Maybe we have like a div that holds both of these guys, and then we have like an image. And so what do you think the path to this thing is? Do you think it's just /complex?
So it's in the root.
So I think we could just do like
not even a dot.
Yeah. Okay,
no,
that's helpful. Okay, and does formatting work? Oh, it does. All right, let's see. Did we get it? Oh, there it is. Whoa!
Look at that,
dude. That's not too bad, man.
I mean, yeah, that's pretty good because a lot of times the static folder is sort of a pain in these things, right?
Absolutely. I mean,
I guess
that went so much faster than I thought it was going to go.
I know, and you know what's remarkable is, I mean, besides the little magic when we didn't have the stuff configured, there was not as much magic with like an init tool.
No, it hides the magic from you pretty well.
Yeah. But I don't know, I just really don't like running those init tools like I guess they wanted us to do, where like it makes the project for you and then it spews out just this massive pile of files right from the get-go.
Totally. Well, I have an idea though. Okay, one more thing.
So I will say I'm pretty impressed how few files there are that we actually need to commit, right? Like,
yeah, so we do the tsconfig, the package stuff, this guy,
that thing, whatever that is.
And then we do the node modules, next.
And the next. So, I mean, that's pretty...
That's pretty good.
Pretty svelte for...
But now...
frameworks.
Okay, so quick stretch goal, all right? So why is page the thing that gets served from the root?
Yeah.
Like, is that a convention thing?
That is not obvious to me.
Or is that... So let's
let's say we want 2 pages, right? How do we make it? That's probably routing, yeah.
So we're gonna have a bigger section on routing, but for now, it's just if we can get like I want to be able to hit like localhost Eric, right?
Yeah.
Actually, do we get a 404? Oh, we get a pretty 404.
Oh, that's pretty.
I wonder where he comes from. Does he
deep in the bowels is where he comes from?
Is he inlined or is he? He's got some style somewhere.
There's a bunch of styles in the div too.
From Eric one, yeah. Where are these coming from? Is there a CSS file that actually comes down? No.
Oh, look at the div though. See that?
Yeah, he's got
a lot of.
But look at this guy. There's actually a class that's got something. Where does he? Oh, look. They put it right here in the body. We just style it up right in the mix here. Okay.
Okay.
Well, let's make this work. So I'm gonna skip a lot of the tree, subtree, blah blah blah, pages, blah blah. Folders are used to define routes. A route is a single path of nested folders. To a final V folder that includes a page.
Oh, okay. So it's convention.
So I can just do this, right?
Eric with another page.
And then we'll just copy him and put him in here, and this will be I am Eric. And so is he okay? Like the fact that there's like now we've got a bunch of these pages, like.
Yeah, but that doesn't make your open tabs very helpful.
Oh, it works.
Wow.
Because let me get rid of that to prove it.
Hey.
Okay, so this guy, so page TSX is effectively index.html.
Which they could have just said index.
I think people they could have.
No one would have been sad about that.
Dude, that's pretty good, man. Well, I think that's.
I mean, honestly, the old man in me thought this was going to be a lot more upsetting.
I don't hate it yet. Although we've done nothing on the server yet, and we've not figured out any kind of styling. So I think this is a good place to stop for now, and then next time we can keep pushing on it.
All right.
All right, sounds good, man. We'll see you later.
See ya.
That was stupidly easy though.
Because think of even the React thing. Like when you use that React, because didn't React have a tool to make a new React project?
It was create React app.
Yeah, even that was way more complex somehow than
Absolutely.
this.
Although, I mean, there is a lot of complexity hiding in here. Like,
but they're really good at hiding it from you.
I mean,
why does it? So think about this. Why does it have 3 different script tags? They're all inline. Like, dude, you rendered all of them. Can't you just put them all in the same?
How big is this doc? Like when I get it, like how big are you? So you are 2.3. I assume he's not. I'm assuming he's not like doing any kind of cat. Oh, he's G-zipping him. Interesting.
Where's the?
So he was 2.3. So over the network was 4.6. I will say this is somewhat concerning. Right? Like what? Why is there 6.2 megabytes of resources, Jordan?
Because of main app. Probably because it's the dev build. Hover over the main app. He's it. Yeah. Ooh, holy cow.
He's 6 MB on disk.
Well, there is some concern.
Dude. Oh, and so I guess some of it is I'm preserving the log. So the fair comparison is really, oh no, still 6.2, huh? Every time.
Yeah, but look at that. That's a 6 MB file.
Oh. Yeah, I suppose it's given us the size on disk. Yeah, it transferred. Jeez.
Well, that's interesting.
Man, let's just crack him real quick. Oh my, that is a lot.
So he's very unoptimized. Look at that.